How to remove green screen in Adobe After Effects 2025. I open my Adobe After Effects now. The next thing for me to do is to import my project. Double click on this panel. Downloads. This is my green screen video. Click on it. Import. Right click in this video. Create new. Now, I have my video in my timeline now. Right click in this video. Go to Effects. Key light. This is my key light. Click in this key light. Now, click this pencil. Back to your green screen background. Click in this background. Now everything disappears. The next thing for me to do is to import my background picture or video. Pictures. Okay, now I have my background picture too in my timeline now. Drag it. Put it below on your green screen video. After that, you see everything is gone. Now, press enter. Okay. Now, my video will be playing smoothly. It's now playing smoothly. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like and follow for more of this video.